Are you finding when you're working, you're switching between tabs, you're going from one tab to another tab to another tab to another tab, and before you know it, you get yourself confused, you get yourself frazzled, and you're wasting time trying to find the tab you were actually working on? Stop doing that. What you can do is, instead of flicking between tabs, you've got a view like this. So you're watching the YouTube tutorial, but also implementing what you've learned into Google Sheets. But before I show you how I got to this view, like, subscribe, and share. So I'm in this view, and you're probably asking yourself, how did I get like this, RA Solutions? Well, I'm going to show you how. So what you do is, one of the main tabs you've been working on, so let's say it's this spreadsheet, you click on the tab title here, you right click on that, and then you, from this drop down list, you will see these options. You choose the second option, add tab to new split view. If I click on that, left click, it will put my Google Sheets view on the left side now, but you've got room to add another view on the right side. So to add a view to my right side, let's say I want this YouTube window now to be on my right view, you can add that tab to the split view. So I want to add the YouTube view to this view here, the YouTube screen. So what it does, it adds your YouTube tab now to that view. And you notice on the top left hand corner, it's grouped the spreadsheet and the YouTube window to this specific tab now. So this is not a case anymore you're flicking between both. They're both being combined into, you've got the YouTube window on the right side, the Google Sheets window on the left side. What you can also do is swap the views around. So at the top here, you've got this option, arrange split view. If I click on that, you can reverse the views. So if I click on that, it will reverse it. Let me choose an Excel video to show you exactly what you can do. So it's going to open up. I'm going to choose this random one here. And then what I want to do is watch the tutorial or the ad here, like this. Watch the tutorial in action, but implement what I've learned in here. What you can do here is you can drag this middle window to make the video smaller, so you've got more space to do the work. Or if you want it vice versa, you can drag so the video is bigger and your workspace where you're implementing what you've learned is there. Yeah. What you can also do in Google Chrome, this works in Google Chrome. Let me put that back into the middle. If you want to swap the view, what you can do is go here. You can close your right view like this. Fine. And it will open up YouTube. But what you can do is, you've got Google Docs here. Let's say you want to write a report now. So you can go back here, right click, add new split view like this, and choose Google Docs from the tabs, list of tabs at the top, and it will open up Google Docs so you can write your report whilst watching a video at the same time, right? So it's really nifty, and it will hopefully stop that confusion, stop you being frazzled by flicking between one tab to another, and you can use it to your heart's content. You can personalize it, and you can really think about it. You can have a group of tabs opened up at the top instead of going or flipping between 4 tabs. You've got 2 tabs to flip between instead. It's really beneficial for you to increase productivity, and I really do hope it helps you in what you're doing. Hope this video has helped you. Please do like, subscribe, and share.